Hey guys, it's Rita. Today I will take you on a home tour, which will just include my living room and my dining area. I gave you my front porch tour last Tuesday, so let's get on with this video today. Hey guys, it's Rita. Just wanted to bring you along and show you how I've decorated my living room and dining area. I did the front porch tour last Tuesday and wanted to bring you this today because I'm going to be pulling most of this down and decorating for Halloween. A lot of these are DIYs. The fall ones you will find in my fall playlist, and if there are any others in here, which there are a few, they will be on my channel. But I'm just going to let you take a look, listen to music, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. This area is where you see me stage a lot of my DIYs. Now on to the dining area. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this up and get started on decorating for Halloween. Hope you guys enjoyed it today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.